In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to draw fractals in Tradingview step by step. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Tradingview in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your chart, look at the left side where the drawing toolbar is located. Scroll through the tools and find the bars pattern tool. Click on it to activate it. Now move your cursor to your chart and click where you want the fractal pattern to start. Drag your mouse along the price movement to map out the fractal shape, then release to place it on the chart. If needed, adjust the pattern by dragging the anchor points until it fits the structure you want to highlight. You can also customize the appearance by double-clicking the pattern and changing colors or style. That's it. Now you know how to draw fractals in Tradingview. Subscribe for more quick tutorials.